In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay contactless through PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do is download and update PayPal to its latest version on your phone. So look for PayPal on the Play Store or the App Store and download or update the app to its latest version available. Once you ensure that you have the latest version available of PayPal on your phone, open it up and register a new card into your wallet. After you have a payment method, usually a debit or credit card attributed to your wallet, you will be able to make contactless payments or contactless transactions as long as your phone has the NFC feature built into it. To check this, open up the settings on your phone and look for NFC. Usually, it's going to be located in the connection and sharing category, but if your phone has a search bar, you can look for NFC. Click NFC and make sure NFC is enabled, and now you will be able to make contactless transactions when you use your PayPal account with a payment method registered to it. Like I said, your phone needs to have NFC enabled, and you simply have to place your phone near a card reader in order to complete any transactions you wish to make. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay contactless with PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.